In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI-powered IT help desk chatbot using ChatGPT. We'll walk through each step, so don't worry if you're new to this. Let's get started. First, we need to access ChatGPT. Open your web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. If you already have one, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll want to start a new chat. This provides you with a fresh interface to create your chatbot. The next thing we're going to do is define the types of IT ticketing tasks that our chatbot will handle. For instance, our chatbot will act as an IT help desk assistant. It will need to collect essential information such as the user's name, their department, the type of issue they're facing, the urgency level, and a detailed description of the problem. You'll want to think of this as laying the foundation. By clearly defining what information the chatbot needs to collect, you set up a structured framework that makes it easier to organize and process support requests efficiently. Now that we've established the basic tasks, it's time to create a ticket template. Think of this template as an organized structure that keeps all necessary information in one place. We need to design an IT support ticket template with fields for the requester's name, the date of the request, the issue they're facing, the priority level of the issue, the team assigned to handle it, and the current status of the ticket. This template will help standardize how information is recorded and make it easier to track the progress of each support request. Next is simulating the conversation flow. Set ChatGPT to act as a help desk chatbot. You'll guide it through a sample scenario, like creating a new IT support ticket for a common issue such as VPN not connecting. During this simulation, the chatbot will ask you step-by-step questions. Make sure it pinpoints the information needed for your ticket template. This step is vital for testing and refining how your chatbot will guide and interact with users in real time. Finally, we need to integrate this system with an actual ticketing platform. Once you have that structured response ready, you'll want to export it and then connect ChatGPT to your chosen IT service management tool. Popular options include ServiceNow, Jira, or Zendesk. You can typically do this by using an API key or a connector app provided by your ITSM solution. This integration allows for seamless ticket creation and management, ensuring that everything your chatbot gathers goes right into your ticketing system for further action by your IT staff. There you have it. You've just set up an AI-powered IT support chatbot using ChatGPT. By following these steps, you're leveraging AI to streamline your IT help desk operations, making the process faster and more efficient for everyone involved.